Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to call someone using Google Meet. So what you want to do, you want to open up your browser, ensure that you sign into your Google account, and once you visit Google, then you just want to look for the apps on the upper right hand side and click on apps, and you want to look for the Meet app here in the list and click on that. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and click a new meeting, because from here you'll be able to create your new meeting. So if you click on a new meeting, you have the option to create a meeting. And let's say for later, this is how you would schedule a meeting. Or if you want to start an instant meeting, you can easily do that. You also have the option to schedule in your calendar as well. So let's say we're going to call someone immediately, right? All you have to do is just simply click start an instant meeting, and from here you want to go ahead and ensure that you choose if you want to use your mic, so you can go ahead and you can choose that. So for the purpose of this video, as I'm currently using my mic right now to record, I'm gonna just leave this as continue without mic for the purpose. But in your case, you want to ensure that you basically choose the option to use mic so you can test your mic and so forth, right? Now, from here, you just want to go ahead and either share this link on the left hand side with someone and they can join, or you can simply click add others and you can enter their email address here. So I'm going to enter an email address of someone. So let me go ahead and enter email address real quick. And once you type the email address, just simply go ahead and click on the person and just go ahead and choose the option to send the email. Now, if I click on send email, this is going to invite that person. That person will receive the email that I'm inviting them to join. And basically all they have to do is just simply click on the link from their email to join. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the email and find the on call option, and basically what that person will see is just an email saying that, and what the person will receive, they'll receive an email saying that they have been invited to join a video call, right, and so forth. So what you want to do, what they will do, just basically click and join call, and they will just choose, whichever, if they have multiple email address, they can choose the correct email. So basically all you have to do is just simply click and join call, and they'll be able to join the call. So it will appear on their phone, they will see who is invited, they click on join, and you will see right there that the person joined the call. And as you can see on the lower right hand side, that this person is now joined the call. And when I say this person, I mean this is my second profile that I basically used to join the call. And as you can see here, the person is there and they're currently on mute and so forth. But this is how you basically call someone on the Google Meet. So that's it, guys. If you would like to learn more about how it works, I'm going to show you in future videos how to do various things within a call. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.